inside the table body, we have these table rows that we have here. First row, second row, third row. We now want to access the table rows. Let's do this. This is where we now use for loops, because the league table here is a list. A list, like as you can see here, this square bracket at the beginning and at the end. So in a list we can loop, we can use for loops to iterate. So we want teams. To extract teams, you can just say for league teams in league table, now I want to extract the rows. So rows is equal to league teams, find all. So I said here the rows, we have the tr tag, tr. Right, so this is the rows that we have. And now this is a row. Inside the row, if you click here, you can see the td tags here. Td tags for all the elements that are inside the row for the respective columns. Earlier we said that we want to create a very simple data set that just says the table name and the points. So this is the table name. Right. This is where it is. So it is under the td tag here, and this is the class. And the points, find points here. This is the class for our points. Right. So let's access it. So we said rows. Now I have that one. So now we loop through the rows. So we've created a list for rows. Now we want to go through the list for rows to extract the relevant information that we want. So for row, in rows, column, we want the team name. Team names is equal to row dot find. So we said rows are in the td tag here, the individual elements in each row. In the class, so this is the class for the team name. So we can do this, copy, right. So now we have the list for the team names. Right. Let's just have a look. Let's print. I'm just seeing an error here. Where is the error coming from? Alright, I want the text. Let me check the code again. Alright, then put an equal sign here. If the class is equal to, let me remove the text. So there we go. You can see this data here for the team names. You see the Everton, the Liverpool inside here. But as well, we can't read well. So we extract the text, the names here, using the dot text. We don't want the tags here, so this is what we do. Dot text. So now I have the list for our team names. But we see a lot of spaces here and a lot of white space. So we strip out the white space using the strip method here. And there we go. Now we have the list of team names. Okay. Let's create another list. Second list for team points. Okay, let me remove this one for now. So team points is equal to row. It's the same. Find TD class okay, so class for the respective column that you want here for points. So you can see that these classes, they are all the same. And there's a unique class for points here. Right, that's the class. This is the class for points. But now Beautiful Soup supports partial looping here, when you can search standing table cell, right? So if you use this class standing table cell, it also brings you the tag with the class standing table cell is hidden, right? So Beautiful Soup, when you are using the find method here for classes, it just returns, or as long as that keyword is there, that keyword will be returned or will be printed. So we have to use indexing to extract that particular column that we want, together with the class here. So here's it. So I have the class here. All right. Now I can extract using indexing the particular numbering. All right. So the TDs is the 0, it's the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So points, we have them at index number 9. So we have 9 here. And we extract the text, and we just want to strip the white space. All right. So here, let's print. Right, please ignore this error. Team names, team points. And what's the error again?